Hello kids, I'm Ma'am Verinia Tanchoco, your teacher in Math 6. Our topic for today is about solid figures. And in this lesson, you're expected to visualize and describes the different solid figures like cube, prism, pyramid, cylinder, cone, and sphere. Before we start our lesson, let's have a short review first. Identifying figures. Give the names of this polygon. Number 1. Correct. This is a triangle. Number 2. Good. This is a pentagon. Number 3. This is a square. Number 4. Very good. This is a rectangle. And last, number 5. Nice answer. This is a heptagon. It seems that you're familiar with the different kinds of polygons. So let's move on to our lesson. This is Aldrin's room for playing. His mother asked him to arrange and clean his toys. He has a ball, a sleeping tent, coin bank, toy bus, a dice, and a top. Let's analyze his toys and try to identify which solid figures Aldrin's toys are similar. Try to identify these toys. Is this similar to A or B? Number 1. Sleeping tent. What is the shape of this toy? Is this similar to A? Rectangular prism? Or letter B? A pyramid? You're correct. The answer is letter B, a pyramid. Number 2. A coin bank. What is the shape of this toy? Is this similar to letter A, cylinder, or letter B, a sphere? You're right. The answer is letter A, a cylinder. Number 3. A toy bus. Is this similar to letter A, a prism, or letter B, a cube? You're correct. The answer is letter A, a rectangular prism. Number 4. A dice. What is the shape of this toy? Is this similar to letter A, cube, or letter B, a cylinder? Very good. Your answer is correct. Letter A, cube. Last number. Top. What is the shape of this toy? Is this similar to letter A, a cone, or letter B, a sphere? Okay, very good. Your answer is correct. The answer is letter A, cone. Solid figures are figures that have 3 dimensions such as length, width, and height. It has faces or sides that are polygons. These faces meet at edges, which are line segments. Each endpoint of an edge is called the vertex. Kinds of solid figures. 1. Cube. It is a solid figure with 6 congruent faces. It has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Number 2. Prisms are solid figures that have parallel faces that have the same shape. These faces of its sides are parallelograms. Triangular prism has 5 faces, 9 edges, and 6 vertices. Rectangular prism has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Number 3. Pyramid. It is a solid figure made up of base and triangular faces. These faces meet at a common topmost point called vertex. Number 4. Cylinder. It is a solid figure that has two circles and curved lateral face. Number 5. A sphere. It is a solid figure in which all points are of equal distance from a point called its center, and these points form a curved surface as well. Number 6. Cone. A solid figure that has a circular flat base and a curved face pointed towards the top. The pointed top end of the cone is called the apex. Can you now identify the different solid figures? Let's try this activity. Identify the name of the different solid figures. Number 1. Correct. This is a cone. Number 2. What kind of solid figure is number 2? Very good. This is a cube. Number 3. What kind of solid figure? Very good. This is a sphere. Number 4. What kind of solid figure is number 4? Fantastic. This is a prism, a rectangular prism. Last number, what kind of solid figure? Good job. Your answer is correct. This is a cylinder. The kinds of solid figures are cylinder, cone, cube, pyramid, prism, and sphere. Complete the table. This time, give me the number of faces, edges, and vertices of the following solid figures. The first solid figure we have is a cube. It has 6 faces. How many edges and vertices does a cube have? Very good. Your answer is correct. It has 12 edges and 8 vertices. Number 2. Rectangular prism. Rectangular prism has 6 faces. How many edges and vertices does a rectangular prism have? Very good. A triangular pyramid has 12 edges and 8 vertices. Lastly, triangular pyramid. Triangular pyramid has 5 faces. Now, how many edges and vertices does a triangular pyramid have? Exactly. Your answer is correct. A triangular pyramid has 9 edges and 6 vertices. Now, if you really understand our lesson, can you identify the word being described? Number 1. It is a solid figure that has 6 equal faces. Letter A, cube. B, pyramid. C, cylinder. answer is correct. Letter A, cube. Number 2. It is a solid figure made up of base and triangular faces. A, cube. B, pyramid. C, prism. Very good. Your answer is correct. Letter B, pyramid. Number 3. It is a solid figure with 2 circular base, no edge, and no vertex. Letter A, pyramid. B, cube. C, cylinder. Very good. Your answer is correct. Letter C, cylinder. Number 4. It is a solid figure that has 1 circular base. A, pyramid. B, cylinder. C, cone. Fantastic! Your answer is correct. Letter C, cone. Lastly, number 5. It is a curved surface of points that are all of the same distance from the center. A, sphere. B, cone. C, cube. Very good. Your answer is correct. Letter A, sphere. For your additional activity, cut out pictures of objects from newspapers or magazines that are models of spatial or solid figures. Describe each